wrap it, 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 wrap it. Grab the tin foil, wrap it around. For 8 minutes. Then, you can open your eyes. Oh, hi there, I didn't see you there. So today's Father's Day, I'm gonna give my dad a little treat. And I'm vegetarian, so I'm not gonna eat any of this. It's only for my dad. Okay, so we got Slushy, paprika, and herb fest. It's all kinds of seasoning mixed together. And you're probably thinking right now, oh, what's that brown stuff with the red stuff? It's paprika right here with Slushy and brown sugar, and I mix it up really well. So let's start into it. So do not start in the middle. So you have to start in one of the ends. So I'm gonna start on, let's say, this side. Right here, like that. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Like that. I see it's a little bit covered in bacon. And then you grab some of this brown sugar. You rub it on there. You need to rub it on. You can only rub it on one side, but you can choose either side. You can choose the bottom, so it's more of like a surprise.
Ooh.
And then...
Here we got some already wrapped here.
Yep.
Oh.
And then... Done! Easy as pie. See? Boom. Let's put this one like right here. And then I'm gonna grab another one. Oh yeah, the seasoning. Okay, so we grab a little bit, we rub it on. And you can add as much as you like. Okay, and then done. Then grab this one. Another big, juicy bacon. Done with that one. Grab the last bacon. Ooh, that's a big one. Oh wow, that's huge. Okay. Then I grab that, put it ends, and put it like that. Wrap it, 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 wrap it. Put it like that.
That's very nice.
My dad's kind of like in the other room, so I have to be quiet. So you can probably hear me.
You're gonna come here in secret.
Yeah. We also got some secret stuff in the closet.
Let's put it in on that sheet.
And put it on the sheet. Alright, so now I got my cooking pan and my chicken. Let's go. Okay, here's one. It's better to start with the small ones, and the one where you rubbed it with the brown sugar is the one where you have to keep it up so the brown sugar doesn't burn or get burnt. And that's why the side where you put the brown sugar has to stay up. You have to make sure the bacon is real stable in the chicken because you don't want any loose bacon, right? You can use toothpick too. This is probably the biggest one. You also need to have some space between the other chickens because the chicken and bacon, because if you put them together, they might go together, like form into each other. So yeah, you want to have most space between them. Could probably
Perfect.
put like one.
I
Then,
think we definitely need two.
yeah, we definitely need like another small one.
Okay.
Give me a second. My name is Maddox, and it's Father's Day. I'm making my father's coffee. If you get one of these things, you need to push slow, like I'm doing. It's so obvious when you push down. So obvious. So I'm making some baked potatoes for my dad. So here's what you need to do. You need to add a little bit of oil, like a small 5 drops, and then you rub it around, like everywhere. Of course you have to put tin foil, and then you grab a little teensy bit of salt. close it, grab the tin foil, wrap it around. Goes in the oven. Then you put the chicken at 355 degrees. You put the chicken in at 25 minutes. I'm making juice for my dad. And it's also Father's Day. I got lemon, orange, cut up apple, and raspberries for a little bit of taste in here. Then after that, I'm gonna put some water, stevia, and I'm gonna mix it up, then keep it in there for my dad. I'm putting in guys. I'm gonna turn it on. Does this look good to you? Tastes very good for me. Alright, so guys, I'm making some corn here, and you know, as a kid, and when you start peeling your first corn, it gets hard at first, but then the more you do it, the more easier it is. Me, this is like my third time. Okay. So you grab the hair, then you do this. Then you see the top here? This you do not want to eat. You do not want to eat. So that's why you have to take it off. You do not want to eat that. This you don't want to eat either, which is probably the most hardest thing to take off on a corn.
Very good.
Then you gotta peel off the skin that's on the corn. For the people who don't like that. Comment down below to see if you have any of those little, as like toothpicks, you put it here, corn holders, and you go like this. Comment down below. Me, I like to add butter on mine with the corn holders. That's what I like the best. With butter. You'll get the hang of it once you start doing this more. So hey guys, I got my sausages for Father's Day. I need to be quiet. And so you gotta add a little bit of water. And you grab some sort of small toothpick and then you poke holes in it. Alright, so I'm putting small holes so that it gets more tasty and yummy. Make sure the water is boiling for 8 minutes. Oh, a little bit flash on me, sorry. Then add a little salt. Right on there.
And we're almost ready.
Yeah. So here is the finished meal. We got some La Viva Resistance corn. And these two, I would love to call this the meat plate. the meats and the vegetable plate because it has potato that we cooked. We got la resistance corn. We got some meat, some sausage, chorizo, and we also got some chicken wrapped in bacon with some sour cream, cheese, and butter.
So, will Dale father like this? What do you think?
I don't know.
What do you guys think?
It's delicious, right?
I think he will like it. Surprise is coming. He didn't see this yet, right? Let's see. Let's eat what's hot.
Yeah, let's see what. Scooch all the way to that seat. Right here, a little bit more. And then there, that's good. And then, you can open your eyes. Happy Father's
Wow,
Day!
this is awesome. Thank you guys. Look at this. This is chicken wrapped in bacon, baked potato, fresh corn, and chorizo. Awesome.
And I also gave you some Kale too.
Very nice. Super healthy. That's how we do it.
This
You
is
made
starchy.
this? Wow, I'm very impressed.
Yes, he made everything with my verbal assistance.
Awesome.
But this is the chef right there.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you.
Are you
guys.
excited?
I am. This is great.
All your favorites, right?
Yes.
We know you. We love you.
Love
Thank you
too.
for being the best father.
Aw, thank you.
Love you.
Love you too, bud.
2, 1, open.
Oh.
We saved the last Snickers ice cream for you.
Wow.
Snicker ice cream.
This is awesome.
I call it the double decker.
What do you think?
Thank you guys. Yes.
Look,
Your favorites?
and look, this got frozen. And look.
Little bike ride. Yeah. What are you guys doing back there? Can't keep up with Dad? Oh, you can? Let me see. I don't think so. Guys?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, yes.
Jazz. So we got this cheese, that cheese, cheddar cheese, your favorite cheese, meat, the cheese that was in the fridge. We got some grape, crackers, different kinds of crackers. This is plain, that's different. We got some gluten-free crackers, bread, butter, and we got the utensils for cheese
Wow.
with sour cream.
Very impressive.
And my highest hope
Wow.
score is this one. That's my highest hopes.
This is amazing.
My bread with some tomatoes.
We talked with our cheese specialist and he helped us.
My bread smells good.
Yeah. This is great. I don't even want to.
Smell my bread. Eat it.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you.
Happy Whoppers Day. Happy Whoppers Day.
Wow, I don't even know where to start.
Happy
Dig in.
Start wherever you like.
Yeah, good.